Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix an Amazon account that's been placed on hold. This situation can be frustrating, especially if you need to complete purchases or access your account urgently. So let's walk through the steps to resolve this issue quickly. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to the tools and support options you need to address the hold on your account. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and a drop-down menu will appear with various choices. From this menu, click on Customer Service. This section is your gateway to Amazon's support resources and will help you get in touch with someone who can assist with your account issue. Once you're in the customer service section, scroll down through the available options. You're looking for a specific button that says something else. Click on this option as it will open up additional support categories that aren't covered by the standard help topics. This is where you'll find the pathway to more specialized assistance. Next, look for the button labeled I need help with something else and click it. This step is important because it signals to Amazon that your issue requires direct attention from a support representative rather than automated help articles. Now, here's something to keep in mind. There are times when the chat feature might not be available right away. If you see a message indicating that chat is not available right now, don't worry. In this case, click on Connect with an associate. This will open up alternative ways to reach Amazon's support team. You'll then see an option to enter your phone number. Type your number into the required field, then click Call Me Now. Once you do this, Amazon will call you directly, usually within a minute or two. When the associate answers, explain your situation clearly. Let them know that your account is on hold and provide any details they might ask for to verify your identity and resolve the issue. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to connect with Amazon support and get your account hold resolved efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.